Yeah, you can't see it, but I can make out 1946. I've been out here with my my 11-inch coil, my 6-inch coil, and today I'm bringing out my coiltec 10-inch. Walk 5 feet, and I don't know if you can read that. Got a signal there, and 31 is generally some pretty good silver. So we'll dig it. There it is. It looks like a couple of quarters. That's why the 31 and 32 is coming up. 2 quarters. Haven't taken 3 steps out here. That's 24, 25. It's either a dime or a penny. Well, we'll take a look at it. Well, boy, this grass has got some roots to it. I think it is. Yep. Yeah, it's a dime. Ooh. Could be another quarter. There it is. Yep, another dime. Looks like a nice one too. Can't read it yet. I will when I get home. 28, 29. I just had it too. Jesus. There it is. Yep. Another nice quarter. Well, I'd like to be a nickel at 12. Here goes. Some aluminum. Oh, might be on my first penny here. Yep. It's a penny. Yeah, you can't see it, but I can make out 1946. It's a good find there. Good find. 2021 here. I was a little close to this barbecue, so sometimes they run rebar underneath, but it was consistent. It's another old corroded penny, but my numbers were good. It's 12, 13, and a 14, so it's probably a pull tab for sure. So I just gotta confirm that. Yep. Just add something. There it is. Yeah, that's an old. Been there down a long time there. Up, pull tab. You got a 2020 gun going here. Oh, but darn. Well, It's not a penny like I thought. It's some kind of a copper fitting, probably just from the irrigation. That's still a good find. Yeah, just one of those sweated on fittings that probably fell out of the old plumber's bag or something years ago. Yeah, it's a good one. It'll be used. Well, it's going to be my last dig here. This should be a penny. Well, here we go. I don't know. It's a metal, some kind. Oh, it's a little dog, like a terrier. Let's see if you can get a look better. Yeah, that'd be darn. Well, I had a pretty good day for being out here just an hour and a half. My best find to this date, right there, 1940 penny. And I found these 2 quarters in the same hole. That's a nice silver, none of them are old. And 2 dimes, and a little Scotty dog. And that's all the trash I dug. The way I have my detector set up now on the numbers and that's all it shows. Anything from 19 and above, and I dug these just to check my numbers, to make my own guessing, confirm it. And this guy right here. Well, anyways, that's what we got this week.